Finding a truly free AI motion control tool has become incredibly difficult these days. Most platforms either give you very limited free credits or make you wait a long time for every generation. After spending nearly 2 weeks researching different tools, I finally found an amazing free motion control AI that offers generous free credits and generates videos much faster than many other free alternatives. So let's get started. First, open any browser and use the link provided in the description. Once the website loads, click on Sign In. Since this platform doesn't support temporary email addresses, you can simply sign in with your Google account. After a few moments, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. If you open your profile, you'll see your available credits. In my account, I currently have 600 credits, but later in this video, I'll show you an easy way to earn even more free credits without paying anything. As you scroll through the homepage, you'll notice that the platform offers several different AI video generation tools. However, the feature we are interested in is motion control. To access it, open the second link from the description in a new browser tab. After a few seconds, the complete motion control workflow will load. The best part is that this workflow works perfectly on both PC and mobile devices. If you're using a phone, simply open the website in Chrome, tap the three-dot menu and enable Desktop Site. The interface will then look exactly like the desktop version. At first, the workflow might look complicated because you'll see many connected nodes running in the background. Don't worry about any of that. The only sections you need are the image upload and video upload nodes. First, upload your reference video, then upload the image you want to animate. Once both files are uploaded, you don't need to change any other settings because everything is already configured for the best results. Once you're ready, you'll see two generation options. Since we're using the free version, simply select Run Light Standard. As soon as you click it, the generation process will begin and you'll see a timer showing the progress. The generation speed depends mainly on your internet connection. With a fast Wi-Fi connection, your video may finish within 1 or 2 minutes, while slower connections could take around 10 to 12 minutes. Now let's talk about getting more free credits. Return to the main website and click on the gift box icon. This will open the referral page where you can copy your personal invitation link. After copying it, you can extract the referral code from the URL if needed. Whenever someone signs up using your referral code, both accounts receive bonus credits. New users joining through a referral link may receive anywhere from 500 to 5,000 free credits, making it a great way to continue generating videos without spending any money. While your video is generating, you can actually see how the workflow works behind the scenes. It analyzes the facial expressions and movement from your reference video, builds a motion model, and transfers that motion onto your uploaded image. This process is very similar to the technology used by premium AI motion models. Once the generation is complete, simply click the three-dot menu beside your finished task and choose Download to save the video. For removing watermark of the video, simply cut or zoom the video. It will be automatically removed. Join my Telegram channel for latest update.